नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू चैट्स पे चर्चा। मई का एक्सपायरी वीक है। मैं आनंद, मेरे साथ में है विजय। फिर से हम हाजिर है एक न्यू व्यू निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी के। आज मैं एक्सपायरी व्यू के साथ साथ एक शॉर्ट टर्म व्यू भी कंप्लीटली डिस्कस किया जाएगा, शेयर किया जाएगा निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में। तो इसके पहले कि आगे कुछ एक्सप्लेन करूं आगे के व्यू के लिए, मैं सबसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, और जिसने अगर पिछला वीडियो नहीं देखा है, अगर आप वो वीडियो देखोगे तो उसके कंटिन्यूएशन में ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, लास्ट वीक का वीडियो। तो आज पहले बैंक निफ्टी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी विल बी लुकिंग एट बैंक निफ्टी फर्स्ट टुडे। एंड इफ यू सी इन द लास्ट वीक वीडियो, क्लियरली मेंशन किया था कि एक बड़ा मूव का चांसेस दिख रहा है बैंक निफ्टी में। बायस रिमेन्स टू बी द अपसाइड until 32,000 is held. It was one, there was an expectation there can be a one down move towards 32,000 and a pullback and up move. मगर मंडे से ही बैंक निफ्टी अप मूव स्टार्ट कर दिया था। वेल, मार्केट्स हैज इट्स ओन वे टू डू इट्स मूव, एंड ये चीज बार बार रिपीट किया था। 34,000 34,200 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रेसिस्टेंस है, वो क्रॉस किया तो बड़ा मूव अपसाइड में ओपन, टारगेट्स ओपन होंगे 40,000 तक के। एंड स्पेसिफिकली कल ड्यूरिंग मार्केट आवर्स ऑन फ्राइडे ट्वीट भी किया था विथ चार्ट, बैंक निफ्टी 34,000 के पास में। दिस वाज द फोर्थ टाइम, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व 1 2 3 and yesterday Friday was the fourth time it was trying to cross this resistance. एंड जब भी ऐसा मल्टीपल टाइम्स एक रेसिस्टेंस सपोर्ट के पास मार्केट एक हॉल्ट लेता है, so next move is basically it gives a violent move to cross those resistance or supports. वही चीज we have observed on the Friday. Same thing that once it was trying to cross 34,000, it did off a day time pass, and then suddenly it blasted off. For coming, looking at the chart for the coming week, as Bank Nifty has already given breakout about 34,000, 34,200, this resistance. Immediate target for this is around 35,000, and most likely target of 36,000, 36,500 for this coming weekly expiry. If 35,000 is captured by Monday, then don't be surprised to see 36,000 by expiry, which looks very much likely. But ultimately, we may see 36,000, 36,500 getting crossed most likely by the May month end, which is on 31st of May, next to next Monday. This is the immediate short-term view for the immediate view for the Bank Nifty. Now coming at looking at the larger picture for the short-term view, if we observe the weekly charts, Bank Nifty has bounced exact from this important support, or we can say the February budget day lows. Around there it took support, bouncing from there, and it has given a fresh breakout about 34,000 on Friday. This has a natural target of crossing this earlier high of 37,700, and above that this would trigger a target all the way towards 42,000 plus. A good approximately 6,000 to 8,000 points move from here still remains in Bank Nifty to be captured, and tentative time period for this might be 2 to 3 months max. If everything, and we know this Bank Nifty's move is normally in a fast mode, it can cover 4,000 point, 5,000 point within a couple of weeks max. We have seen it historically, Bank Nifty doing that. Now, when that move triggers, no one knows. And once the move has triggered, within 2 weeks, it is likely to get completing the target of 40,000, 42,000. And then it might take some pause, some consolidation, whatever it may come then. Last week I have clearly explained this base formation around 30,500 to 32,000 and then breakout and then retest. So this breakout right now has a target of 40,000 plus 42,000 most likely, and this view remains as long as 33,300 is held on the bank nifty. This support the earlier resistance which will now be support until this 33,300 33,000 zone is held. Bank nifty is all set for the target of 40,000 42,000 plus. So index, a move which one should not miss out. The move is likely to be big, and the time period for this move is most likely to be get completed is about 2 months. Rest market is supreme, it may take extra time or less time, but I won't be surprised if this move gets completed before July end. The target of 42,000 gets completed before July end. So let's see what market does in this on a wave counts. This looks better.
So on popular request, बड़ी मुश्किल के साथ मेरा black background sacrifice करके white background पे आ गया हूँ. I hope this helps all of you guys, because I realize that most of you are watching it on mobile phones, and थोड़ा भी अगर bandwidth कम होता है तो वो low resolution पे switch हो जाता है YouTube video. I think that's where people were facing problems. Anyway, so this is Bank Nifty's monthly chart. जो पहले से हमारे वीडियोस फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनको याद होगा those big round numbers which I keep talking about. बैंक निफ्टी का नेक्स्ट लेवल जो है वो 38,500 है, एंड हियर इट फेल शॉर्ट इन व्हेन इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 37 समथिंग इन फरवरी, और वहाँ से ये करेक्शन हुआ था. अगर हम वीकली स्केल पे जाते हैं तो एक इम्पल्स वेव खत्म होता हुआ दिखता है विच एंडेड इन फरवरी, एंड वहाँ से हम ये करेक्शन में आ गए हैं ऑल ऑफ मार्च एंड ऑल ऑफ अप्रैल. एंड देन आप देखिए अप्रैल 23rd से 23rd वाली वीकेंड से हम लोग वापस ऊपर चलने लगे हैं. आई थिंक द रियल बॉटम वाज ऑन द 19th of April, सॉरी, so 1922 and this is 23rd April. I'll go back to the weekly picture. ये वीकली पिचफोर्क भी है. सो इफ यू सी ये चैनल से ब्रेकआउट करके it touched this rising channel and then it corrected, but again यहाँ पे अच्छा सा सपोर्ट मिला इसको इस लोअर चैनल पे, एंड वहां से इसने 1 2 3 4 हफ्ते इसने टाइम स्पेंड किया, एंड इनफैक्ट लास्ट वीक इट लुक्ड लाइक इट विल ब्रेक डाउन. आई थिंक काफी लोग शायद शॉर्ट पोजीशंस लेके कैरी भी किया होगा उन्होंने, बट देन इट सरप्राइज्ड बिग टाइम हियर. Even stochastics, if you see, it is turning up on a weekly scale. Crossover भी हो गया है for those who follow stochastics. And when I go down to the daily scale, you can see the picture even better. पूरा 5 waves up खत्म करने के बाद ABCA, ABCB, right? This was a zigzag, this was a flat, and a 5 wave down move in C. ठीक है, अब सी यहाँ खत्म हो गया ऐसा लग रहा था, बट देन एक्चुअली इट फिनिश्ड इट हियर, एंड वहां से इट गेव अ स्मॉल इंपल्स मूव. वी कैन काउंट 5 वेव्स विद इन दिस अगर हम आवरली स्केल पे जाते हैं तो. देन अ लिटिल ए बी एंड सी, एंड हियर इट वुड हैव थ्रोन ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज 20 डे मूविंग एवरेज के नीचे क्लोज दे रहा था, बट देन इट सरप्राइज्ड द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे विद अ बिग शार्प अप मूव. उसके बाद दिस ह्यूज गैप अप, 3 दिन टाइम वेस्ट, एंड देन बूम yesterday. अब कहाँ जाएगा? आई थिंक आनंद has already explained where Bank Nifty is headed, बट अगर मैं डेली चार्ट पे सिंपली नोटिस करूं, क्योंकि इम्पल्स वेव खत्म हो गया है एंड ABC करेक्शन हो गया है, and this correction came and stopped around the previous fourth wave. That is another Elliott wave principle. Typically bull market में जो impulse के बाद जो corrective wave होता है वो previous fourth के आसपास आके रुक जाता है. So it means that the price has also broken out of this falling channel. It broke out, came back, took support on that falling channel, and again it started breaking out, and now it is going up. और अगर next impulse wave का अगर ये 1 खत्म हुआ है तो ये A, B, C 2 खत्म हुआ है. Now it's actually in the third wave. So like Anand said, very likely in this expiry itself we may have a good move maybe towards this line. Possible है, impossible नहीं है. But somewhere in the month of June, this level of 38,000 should be taken out. This is my feeling, because that's a big round number and it has to touch it. And 40,000 is one of those big levels. हो सकता है वहां तक भी खींच दे इस मूव में. That should probably end a larger bull run, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless this is a 1, 2, and this is another 1. This ABC into Corona bottom is another 2, where wave 3 at a very large scale is subdividing. अगर ये हिसाब है तो this is going to be ultra bullish. मतलब 40,000 के ऊपर ये चलते जा सकता है. And even if it corrects, it will correct back only to this region, somewhere to this region. Anyway, that's far away. We have to go month after month. For the next month, look at this as a resistance line, the rising channel all the way from here. Back to you, Anand.
Okay. Coming back to the Nifty view, and once again, I would like to remind you all, if you have seen my last video, specifically last week video and even before that, I have kept on repeating 15,050 is the decider for the up move to be triggered. And in last week video, I've clearly shared a trade idea. If 15,050 is crossed, have a stop loss of 14,900 and look for the target of 15,400, 500 immediate basis, and overall bigger targets are likely to be triggered. अब अगर यहाँ पे देखें, Monday market has started its up move. This is the green candle of Monday. Tuesday it has crossed 15,050, closed above it, which means buy has triggered, longs have triggered. What was the stop loss shade was 14,900 to be the stop loss precise. And if you look at Thursday's low, it was 14,904 something, which means stop loss got defended. And then Friday it was complete bang. All the weak longs were flushed away from the system by the market, all the weak retails, whatever you call it. Stop loss was defended by the buyers, and then it took off vertically on Friday. And right now, for the May expiry, 15,400, 500 zone looks very much likely for this move which has triggered on Friday. This zone around previous high 15,450, 15,400, 350, which was in March, 15,450, 430, some 50 approximate of February high, all-time high. These are the immediate targets, and which may most likely get tested by this May expiry, that is coming Thursday. I would give a high probability of getting tested by Thursday. Ultimately, markets wish what is the larger picture. If we observe, and I have kept on repeating right from the February second week videos, if you randomly select any week video and just look at it, I kept on repeating 14,000, 13,700 is the reference level for complete 2021, very high. There was this dip all the way toward 14,150. It could not complete to give move toward 14,000, and it reversed. And last week it has given a breakout above this minor consolidation zone. So as long as the pull this lows before the breakout, that is around 14,600, as long as this 14,600 is defended, the recent breakout has a target all the way towards 16,000 plus. Why so? This immediate range of 15,050, 14,300 was a 2-3 months range, 2 months plus range. And if we extrapolate it on an upside, 15,050 plus approximately 750 points gives a target of 15,800. This is the likely target which may get completed in a fast mode. And then market may take some consolidation, some pause, whatever, or some pullback, a price correction or time correction or combination of both. And then the ultimate target, which I would expect it to do, is range extension of this on a higher side. That is 15,400 to 14,100, approximately 1,300 points. Add this to this range breakout above 15,400, 1,300 points, it gives the approximate target of 16,700 plus. I have taken round figures. If you look at exact figure, it's 440 something and 150 something, and adding that exact approximate target of 16,700 looks very much likely once this gives a breakout above 15,500. Immediate target 15,800 in a very short term, and in 2-3 months, don't be surprised to see 16,500, 16,700 plus in Nifty by the end of the July. Most likely by the end of the July, it may get extended a little bit or may get completed beforehand. But broadly speaking, 2.5 months, it might get completed. This has been my observation over years. So an excellent trade which has been triggered and which has still lot of steam left. A low risk opportunity, risk of around 300, 400 points. And if any dip is around 15,000, it's an excellent buy opportunity. Stop loss of 14,600, looking for the targets all the way towards 16,700. Positional bet, that is in a short term. And coming for the immediate May expiry, as I have just now said, 15,400, 500 is the likely target for the May expiry. And then it needs to be seen what market has in store. Or if we see any very large volumes which were similarly seen around this March or February, and those volumes indicate any kind of selling or any fresh sell signal, then we will relook at the assessment of large short-term view. Until then, the target remains same, 16,500, 16,700 plus for 2-3 months. So excellent trade. One can look for in the money call and roll over the position, keep on hedging it with selling higher strikes, or just go with out of the money June ending calls or July ending call of 15,500, 16,000. I would suggest to go with 15,000, 15,200 near the money, in the money calls, and just trail it with a TSL. This will give an excellent risk reward. Investment will be very less, and upside is has a potential of giving a 5 times kind of move. 300 is likely to become 1500 plus. So one can just roll over and get a 5 times in 2 months in just option trade. Mind you, option trading requires proper risk management because option has a one more additional variable apart from the price, that is time variable. Apart from the price of the underlying, it also has an impact of the price of option has an impact due to the time value for the maturity of the contract expiry of the contract. So before taking option trade, do follow proper risk management. That's it from me for the Nifty. And over to you, Vijay.
Wow, I think Anand, upside targets are awesome, and I think speed should pick up because itni negativity hai market में due to corona and all of that. And जैसे हमने इस महीने के सारे वीडियोस में डिस्कस किया है, I have covered all the indices, the metals pack, auto pack, pharma, PSU banks, PSCs, everything. Every index looks bullish. So that tells you that there's huge strength in the market. हो सकता है कि Nifty has been lagging behind for a couple of months, but that's okay. So यहाँ अगर हम देखें, ये monthly chart है Nifty का, the big round numbers I keep talking about, separated by about 3,000 points each. 15,000 was the resistance, right? And it took what, 1, 2, 3, 4 months. This is the 4th month when it is trying to break out of 15,000. इससे पहले भी ऐसे ही हुआ था, उससे पहले भी इधर हुआ है. So the same thing is happening here. So अगर ये breakout sustain करता है, like you rightly said, once it moves above the previous high of 15,400, the next big round number is actually 18,000, which is a possibility in the next few months. Going down the scale on weekly, ये है कहानी. 1, 2, 3, 4. फोर्थ में full time waste हुआ है. Rule of alternation. 2 was simple, so 4 was complex. Channel break भी हुआ है. We are now about to climb back into this channel. That should happen. अगर डेली स्केल पे जाएं, ये टाइम वेस्ट हुआ था पूरा, राइट? WXY XZ काफी टाइम तक लग रहा था कि व्हाट इफ दिस वाज दिस होल करेक्शन इज वेव A एंड वी आर गोइंग अप, स्पेशली यहाँ से रिटर्न आ गया था मार्केट शार्पली. मुझे लगने लगा कि व्हाट इफ दिस इज B एंड we'll go down and see again and waste some more time. But looking at the open interest data and also looking at the strength in the broader markets in all the indices, I was confident that this correction will end soon, and it did. And ये sharp reversal हुआ है, and see how beautifully it is broken out of this falling pink channel, and now it is rising. So with the stop loss of yesterday's low, what I mean is Friday's low basically, which is around 15,000, which is about 175, 200 points away. I think, like you rightly said, Anand, any options, call options between 15,200 to 15,400 for this expiry, and June के लिए basically roll over. That will be a fantastic strategy. That's it from me on Nifty. And sorry, before I close, see how this channel, once it climbs back into this channel, ये यहाँ जाएगा to the top of this channel, and depending on whether it goes vertically or slightly sideways, it can go all the way up to 18,000.
One thing I would like to add, if you observe, last week close of Nifty is highest weekly close till date.
Oh yeah.
So February में भी Nifty ने high बनाया था, the weekly close उसका was lower compared to last week close, which means Nifty has given on a closing basis fresh weekly breakout. Although price wise intraday highs it is yet to cross. Apart from that, as you said, we have been observing bullish pattern across the indices, different sectors, which means a violent move is most likely right now, and which typically happens around the end of the moves where everything is rising or everything is falling, right? So this can be part of that. Now everything rising simultaneously, whatever you buy you get money. So this is like a complete rosy picture, excellent trade opportunity for everyone. That's what market is right now showing. So this continues with every sector, or it just changes. We'll have to see in the coming weeks. Till then, do share your feedback. That's it from us. If there is any change in medium term view, I will be updating it with price action and a lot with Elliott wave counts. Vijay will be updating if there is any change in wave patterns. So till then the view medium term remains same. That is the short term view for 2-3 months remains 16,500 plus. Get ready for a excellent trade opportunity in a very short period. Do not miss it, and do maintain please stop loss. Markets are supreme, follow them. Do not try to hold position just in a hope. And do share your feedback. Do share the channel, the video with your friends. Help us in improving our analysis by your feedbacks. That's it from us for this weekend. Thank you once again watching this, and we'll be back with from fresh analysis in the coming week for the fresh series, fresh month of June. Thank you.